Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer coaching payments from Acuity to Stripe. Check out easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Acuity scheduling account. Navigate to the payment settings section. Locate the payment integration options. Select Connect Stripe to link your Stripe account. You may need to sign in to your Stripe account if prompted. Confirm the connection between Acuity and Stripe. Once connected, return to the payment settings. Scroll to find the option for payment types. Here, you can set up the payment methods you accept. Add your coaching services by specifying the details for each service. Make sure to include the price and duration of each session. Next, move to your Stripe account dashboard. Under Checkout, select Payment Links. Create a new payment link for each coaching service. Customize these links with relevant information and settings. Copy each payment link for future use. Return to Acuity and configure your appointment types. In the appointment type settings, paste the corresponding Stripe payment link. Save your changes. Test the setup by booking a test appointment. Complete the payment process using the Stripe checkout link. Review the transaction in your Stripe dashboard. Ensure that the payment has successfully processed. You're now set up to accept coaching payments through Acuity and Stripe checkout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.